it's a good thing I got some fresh cut flowers in front of me right now, because despite the snow and the seemingly endless winter, spring has officially arrived. So back to show us how to freshen up our home for the brightened season. Ahead is lifestyle expert Bahia Akerele. So welcome back.
Thank you
We're
so
happy
much.
to see you. I'm going to switch places with you because you are going to start with the beautiful flowers here.
That's right. So in spite of the weather and the snow outside, we are insisting that spring is here.
Yes.
So the first thing we want to do is think about bringing life, earth into our home.
Okay.
And right now we have loads of tulip and daffodils that are in stores.
Yes.
So you can get them in your supermarket and whatnot. These daffodils are like $1.99. They're so inexpensive. And again, in spite of the snow, this is the time to get them and bring them in and bring some life.
Okay.
Right? So what are you going to put them in? A lot of times we want to reuse what we already have because we already have quite a lot in our homes. So what I did is, at my house, we drink a lot of coffee.
Okay.
So I took this can of Cafe Bustelo and I painted it with some paint, and I'm going to be able to reuse that and put in my tulips in here. I hope I can remember which ones I cut to go in here.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, so we're going to do that. Oh, these are actually for the longer ones.
Okay.
Okay. And then we have my daffodils. I'm going to use that. So if you have a paint can or a food can, just wash it out, put your daffodils in or your tulips and just enjoy them. And
Is there
enjoy
a
the
particular
season.
kind of paint that you want to use on this so it doesn't come through, so you don't see the lining of the can?
Thank you. I used Sloan Chalk Paint for this paint, and you can use it on glass and on metals. Wash your cans and just put them in. Again, I should say, from Valentine's Day, we all have a lot of these extra vases. If you had gotten flowers or bought for yourself, I just used this little cheap vase that came in with one of my flowers.
Right.
That
and then you just put it back together. And again, a little bit of outside on the inside brightens up the home.
That's right. Very important. One of the things you can also do with your children, because I love doing things that involve our children. I got this little box of freesias. I have some soil. This is something you and your guy or children can do, and just plant them inside.
Oh, wow.
I use this nice little bucket. You can use a terracotta pot, or again, anything you have in your home. All about reusing what you have. Again, the whole idea is bringing earth into your home and bringing spring in spite of the snow. We're going to have spring.
That's
All right.
Well, I'm going to switch places with you and let you continue down here, because I do see you have some more paint down here.
I have some more. That's right.
Yeah.
So one of the things you can also do is refresh your furniture.
Okay.
A lot of times we have pieces in our home that need a little bit of color, a little bit of life. This is the time to clean out. So you're looking at a picture of a piece that I did in my store. I used the Sloan Chalk Paint. You can use whatever paint you want. A nice, easy refresh, bring it out, reuse again what you have in your home.
Okay.
Okay.
Good ideas.
Still on the theme of reusing, this is my Christmas wreath, okay?
Oh, wow.
Yes.
Okay.
So at first it had all Christmas decor and items on it.
Okay.
I pulled them off. It's a regular twine wreath.
Okay.
And I just used some of my silver dollar eucalyptus. I love these eucalyptus. Pulled them off.
And just kind of stick them in the
Stuck
twine.
these bad boys in, not complicated.
Okay.
Now, this is DC. We're all ready for cherry blossoms. Everybody was worried about last night, are the cherry blossoms okay? We're all praying for them, but we have a few in here.
Okay.
So just these little bit, pull them in. Again, the twine is so good because it sticks right in.
Now, how long is this going to last?
This is going to last a long time. Now, cherry blossoms do die off really quickly, but my other pieces right here, they can last throughout the season, throughout the springtime.
Oh, perfect.
Now,
okay.
if you're going to have them outside on your door, right, just watch the sun and so forth.
Yeah, because you don't want to get too hot.
Yeah. But the idea is, this is my simple twine wreath. You can use it all through the season, again, reusing.
Okay.
Julie, I also have some rosemary here.
Oh, pretty.
And that's really nice. It has a very nice aroma. You can cut it off.
And then stick that in there. All right, Bahia, we have about 30 seconds left here, so let's get to our last piece here.
All right, you also want to do some pillows if you can. Introduce and change up your pillows. This is a nice little empty pillow I just picked up from like a regular store. Switch out, give your space some light and some bright colors.
Bright colors, bring the earth inside, it freshens you up, and it makes the dreary last days of winter feel like spring, at least on the inside.
That's right.
All right, where do we find you online?
On thepurplecouch.com.